Hello Year 4, welcome back to week 10. Can you guess from the pictures in front of me what we're going to be covering this week? Well, we are going to be learning about area. Okay, so I've got 3 shapes here, and these shapes have been made up of some square tiles. And the surface covered by the square tiles is the area. Okay, so if I look at shape B to start with, okay, shape B, the area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square tiles. Okay, because that's the area that has been covered. Okay, do you think you could have a go at working out the area for A and C? Well, shape A, okay, has 1, 2, 3, 4 square tiles, okay, and shape C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square tiles. Okay, so the area is the amount of surface covered, okay, and in this example it's by the square tiles. Okay, so for example, if I was to make a shape that has an area of 7, okay, I could use my post-it notes here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the shape that I've created, okay, the area is 7 square tiles, okay, because that's the amount that has been covered. Okay, so I'm going to show you now some more shapes. Okay, I'd like you to just take a moment, so pause the video, see if you can work out what the area is for these 2 shapes. Okay, so hopefully you have noticed that I've got my squares, okay, but I've also this time got some triangles, okay, and hopefully you've worked out that a triangle, okay, is half of a square, okay, so 2 triangles would equal 1 square. So if I was to look at the area, so the amount of surface covered for this shape here, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares and 1, 2 triangles, okay, and 2 triangles equal 1 square, okay, so the area for this first shape is 5, okay, because there's 5 in total, okay. This shape here, I've got 3 squares and 4 triangles, okay. If I know that 2 triangles equal 1 square, I then know that 4 triangles equal 2 squares. Okay, so the area is, the area is 5 squares. I should be able to add 3 and 2 together. Right, now it is your turn. I'd like you, okay, to have a go at these 3 questions. A copy of this can be found on the Learning PowerPoint. Okay, question 1, you're just writing the area for the 3 shapes there. Question 2, once again, writing the area, okay, for the animals that have been created. Question 3 is a little bit different. Okay, it says here, add squares or half squares to each shape below to make its total area 8 square units. Okay, so you're going to have to count up the area that's already there and then add to it to make the total area 8 square units. Good luck!
Hello and welcome back to this week's Fluent in 5. As you can see, this time it was me and Miss Smither. We had fun raiding Miss Coxhead's dressing up cupboard again. So, not quite sure where this is from, but this is today's outfit of choice. So, day 1, 5 questions. Let's get started. So, A, we've got 7,694, add 7,896. B, 5 times 9. C, 1/3, add 1/3. D, 75 times 9. And E, 42 divided by 7. Give yourself 5 minutes and then come back and check your answers. So, A, our answer is 15,590. B, 5 times 9 is 45. C, 1/3, add 1/3. Now with this question you will notice that our denominators are the same. So when we add these fractions, we don't need to add the denominators, we only need to add the numerators. So my answer here is 2/3. D, 75 times 9 is 675. And E, we've got 42 divided by 7, which is 6. Now, you could have used long division to help you with this one. However, if you know your 7 times table, you know that 7 times 6 would give you 42. So use clues in the question to help you work out the answer. So that was today. Check back tomorrow and we will go through day 2.